Okay, yeah, I can pull on that side. Hey guys, I just finished up a sheriff call for a Oldsmobile crashed into the ditch. So I just got that out. I'm gonna put the video right here, right now. Alright. Cool. Hello. Good, good. Alright. Shoot. I might back up to grab the front and spin it around because I don't know if I'll be able to reach on it. Actually,
you want me to back up then, or?
Actually I might be able to get to that wheel. Let me see. If I can get to that wheel, I can probably pull it up with that. Let me see here. Okay, yeah, I can pull on that side. I'm gonna pull it back out. Actually, yeah, I'm gonna turn around and come back up because that way I'll pull it back up and then out. Out. Let's see if I can get it in this lane. All right, here we go. Hello, is that your car? Okay. Let's see here. Put the straps on the back. Pull that side down. Low pull. And I'm going to pull the back end up. This way I pull this. Pull it around.
asking if you work with Nestor?
Yeah. Yeah, I work with Nestor.
¿Quién trabaja con Nestor? No, ¿qué le digo?
All right. Should make sure if it won't roll real quick. Let's see here. Okay, it's in park. That way it won't roll away from us. Yeah, still might slide a little bit. Make sure the front is in. All right, we're coming out of there. All right, you're all the way out there. And then let's see here. Were you guys planning to drive it all the way, or return back to the shop?
¿Lo vas a querer manejar o lo
A
vas
ver, deja ver si prende.
I'm gonna go see if it turns on.
Okay, yeah, if you want to try to start it. It looks like it's just a bumper. All right. Do you know if he has a towing insurance? Like State Farm or anything like that?
Pero dile que no, dile que dijo el policía que no lo vamos a meter a la aseguranza, dile.
So the cop said we're not gonna put it under the insurance.
Oh, okay.
Dile que no lo van a reportar como accidente al policía, dile.
He's not gonna report it. Well, he's not gonna report it like an accident. He's gonna report it as helping us taking it out.
Oh, okay, okay.
I think we're gonna.
If you want, I can just get a credit card and then we can send you a receipt.
Yeah.
That works. Yeah, that works here. I can just take a picture real quick. That way you guys can get on your way. If you guys want to come down to the yard, or I can get your phone number, and then the office will call you, get your email, so we can send you a receipt.
So Nestor's our cousin.
Oh, okay, yeah.
So I think you could just call Nestor and he'll let us know, or.
Yeah. I can have Nestor give you a call too,
Okay.
and then let's see here. I'll just need the card information for now. Okay, I'll bring right back here. All right, we'll get a quick picture real quick here. They'll be on their way.
We don't know yet.
All right, there you go. So yeah, I mean, it's just a bumper, so you are able to drive if you want to drive.
¿Lo manejo para la casa o para el trabajo?
No, pues dejó para la casa porque te llevas con trabajo, vaya con está allá. Y ahorita que vaya Yulisa por ti, que te
So
dé.
Let me drive it home.
okay, yeah, I'll get the hooks off and then you'll be ready. So hold on just a moment here. There we go. This back here. All right, here we go. Oh, the winches are a little bit slow on this truck, but that's okay. all good. When I move, just back up a little bit and then go, then you should be okay.
Okay.
All right, have a good day. Yeah, have a good one. All right, guys, you guys see that in the video. That car was almost completely tipped over onto its side in the ditch there. And it looks like it was only a rear-wheel drive Oldsmobile. So, and he probably was just going a little too fast coming up there. The roads are super slushy right now, so it gets that traction in your tires there and it just pulls you if you're going too fast. So that just pulled him over, and that ditch is so steep that as soon as he got that front in there, it just picked the whole car up and tilted it over. But luckily we were able to get him out of there real easy. At first I was thinking maybe I'll pull the passenger side just straight up, but I could only really get to the rear tire, which means I don't really have a good strong pull from the front. So I was like, okay, never mind, I'm gonna go grab the underside, but the top side of it. So I pulled the back end over, and then because I could get the back end over, I put one on the front. That way, in case it crashes onto or catches onto any of the mud there, I can pull the front down a little bit over as well. That way I have some control in the front of the car and I have control in the back. Before I pull, always make sure that the car is in park. That way it might slide a little bit on the snow and ice here, but it's not gonna roll away on its own in neutral or anything. But yeah, guys, it came out great. Luckily they were able to drive the car away, and only some minor bumper damage. So luckily for them, they were able to drive it home. No issues there. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys could, hit a like on the video, subscribe to my channel if you're new here. It really means a lot. If you're not new here, subscribe anyway. It always helps. But yeah, I'll be sending you guys another one when I get one. See ya.
Wow.